In today's fast-paced world, finding peace can seem like a distant dream. We are constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands on our time. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed, but peace is not something external that we need to search for. It is an inner state that we can cultivate through conscious effort. One of the most powerful ways to find peace is through kindness and balance. When we are kind to ourselves and others, we create a sense of harmony within and around us. When we live balanced lives, we create the space for peace to flourish. Peace is not just the absence of stress or chaos. It is a state of being. It's a feeling of wholeness, contentment, and tranquility. When we are at peace, we are able to connect with our true selves and experience the world with clarity and joy. Kindness is a simple yet profound act that can have a transformative effect on our lives and the lives of others. It is about extending compassion, empathy, and understanding to everyone we encounter, including ourselves. When we are kind, we create a ripple effect of positivity that spreads outwards, touching the lives of many. Small acts of kindness, such as offering a helping hand, lending a listening ear, or simply smiling at someone, can brighten their day and bring us a sense of fulfillment. When we practice kindness, we shift our focus from our own needs to the needs of others, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and shared humanity. Kindness is not a sign of weakness, but a strength that comes from a place of inner peace and compassion. It is a gift we give ourselves and others, creating a more harmonious and joyful world. Balance is essential for our well-being. Just as nature seeks equilibrium, so too do our minds and bodies thrive when we find a sense of balance in our lives. This means finding harmony between our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual needs. When we are out of balance, we may experience physical symptoms like fatigue, insomnia, or digestive issues. Emotionally, we may feel stressed, anxious, or irritable. Mentally, we may find it difficult to focus, remember things, or make decisions. Spiritually, we may feel lost, disconnected, or unfulfilled. Creating balance is about making conscious choices that support our overall well-being. This includes nourishing our bodies with healthy foods, getting enough sleep, managing stress through practices like meditation or yoga, and engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Cultivating kindness and balance in daily life doesn't require drastic changes. It's about making small, conscious shifts in our thoughts, words, and actions. Start by setting an intention each morning to approach the day with kindness and balance. Practice mindfulness throughout the day, paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, such as spending time in nature, listening to calming music, or pursuing a hobby you love. Remember to be kind to yourself, practicing self-compassion and forgiveness. Incorporate acts of kindness into your daily routine. Offer a genuine compliment, help someone in need, or simply practice active listening. These small gestures can have a ripple effect, spreading kindness and positivity to those around you. Embracing a peaceful existence is a journey, not a destination. It is a continuous process of self-discovery, growth, and learning. As we cultivate kindness and balance in our lives, we will find that peace naturally arises from within. We will experience greater joy, fulfillment, and a deep sense of connection to ourselves and the world around us. Remember that peace is a choice we make each day. By embracing kindness, seeking balance, and practicing mindfulness, we can create a life filled with tranquility, purpose, and meaning.